What's up, everybody, and welcome back to Trade With Me, where I tell you where I'm going to put my money and you could choose to follow me or just watch from the side. Our last video, we left off on AMC and making our entry price, okay? If you entered a couple of days ago, I think it was like 2 days ago actually, which is crazy. It was trading around $16. I'm in at 13, so I'm having a pretty good day today. I'm going to tell you why I'm holding on, because a lot of people are looking for the squeeze. They're looking for just about any reason to hold, and I am holding, right? You need the diamond hands or whatnot, but really I'm holding because I have goals, how much I want to get out of this play so I can move on and put my money elsewhere. So let's get into it. Number one, what is the play, right? The short interest, yes. There's 30% short interest in AMC. That might not even be the most accurate number, but we know there's millions of shares borrowed against AMC. Not a single one has been covered since the run up to almost 29 today. It hasn't moved an inch, okay? Actually, firms are making bigger short positions against AMC, and the people that own AMC are just not giving up their shares, okay? The volume today has been off the charts. We were at 191 million shares traded today. I think by the morning alone, we were at like 400 million. Is this the same as the Gamestop squeeze? It's not. Don't get it confused. Gamestop was squeezing at 141% short interest. That's insane. As far as we know, that's not what is going to happen. But these shares do have to be covered, and they are way out of their money. This short volume has been going on since it was at $6 a share. They haven't covered yet. It's already at $29 a share, and they tried to bring it down at the end of market close today to $26, and they couldn't even hold it that low. So, is this going to keep going? Well, let's take a look. So the chart looks to me like it's absolutely gorgeous, first of all. But if we're looking at the actual chart, there's definitely at least a gap to fill at 26, back up to 30. I have no doubt we're breaking $30 tomorrow. I think we might even go to 35 to 40, which would be beautiful. I have a price that I'm going to get out at, but that's completely up to you. Hold as long as you want, and hold for the people that are just getting in, right? If you screw over the people that just got in, you're really just hurting the cause. I mean, it's your money, you do what you want, but I got in, and I really do love this community, and I love AMC so far. It's a beautiful stock. RSI is at 47. When we look at the next slide, GameStop's RSI was at 80 by the time it was at this point. So you really have to realize, like, this has filled in. This is not just like pump and dump, pump and dump. These people have held their shares. It has just been consolidating. I mean, this chart is unreal. We keep moving. The GameStop potential. This is what GameStop looked like back in January. I think our starting date was like the 7th or something, or actually that's the 10th, I suppose, and it went to the 27th. But same exact looking chart, right? Build, 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 consolidate, breakout, pull back, build, 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 consolidate, breakout, pull back. So we have a similar setup. We have even more volume this time, and the growth day after day is pretty incredible, okay? And it's still really, really early. So if you're hesitant, you're like, wow, this is going to drop out. I mean, I'm not seeing that. Even the after hours, it's holding its price. It's opening up green every single day. It looks like we're not even having week open red to greens. This thing is cruising. Now, if you don't care about AMC, and that's fine, I wouldn't blame you. The weekend play for me is going to be Bitcoin. I put some money into Bitcoin because historically, Bitcoin is running on the weekends, typically, but on 3-day weekends, it breaks out. I don't know why. Maybe people are just bored with their money, but January, it broke out from almost 28 to 40. February, President's Day weekend. What was everybody doing on President's Day weekend? Probably staying home, socially distancing, but they went from 40,000 to 55,000 on the weekend, right? It starts these runs. So if you're looking to gap up Bitcoin, it might be a good idea to get into a little bit of Bitcoin tomorrow and see where it goes over the weekend, because the crypto does not close. Other than that, if you like this video, please subscribe, give me a like, leave me a comment, anything else. I'm Trade With Me, and I'm just here to have some fun, tell you what I'm buying, tell you why, because if I don't tell you why, I'm not going to do the research myself and make sure my money is smart. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time to Trade With Me.